Modern manufacturing lines are designed for tight precision, but even the most heavily monitored operations face sudden, untraceable errors that disrupt the entire process. Parts get scrapped, production time is lost, and the true causes of the failures remain hidden in the machinery. Under the Total Productive Maintenance, or TPM framework, the ultimate objective is zero breakdowns and zero defects. To achieve that standard, teams rely on a highly specific analytical tool, the Quality Defect Matrix, or QDM. The QDM acts as a translation device. It takes scattered, confusing floor reports about scratched surfaces or dimensional errors and organizes them into a clear, visual map showing exactly where process failures are happening. When operators try to solve production issues without this map, they are forced to guess at solutions. By deploying the matrix, they can pinpoint the exact origin of a defect and implement targeted, permanent fixes. Building an effective matrix starts directly on the production floor. You must gather raw, accurate data on every defect, noting its specific type, frequency, location, and the exact machine involved. If defect logs are sloppy or incomplete, the matrix will point your maintenance team in the wrong direction. Accurate tracking is the mathematical foundation of the entire process. This diagram illustrates how we handle the sheer volume of data. We sort every recorded error into 3 distinct buckets: surface issues like scratches, dimensional issues like incorrect measurements, and functional failures. Once the errors are categorized, we shift our focus to the production line itself. We need to map out the entire manufacturing process in strict chronological order. This flowchart maps out a standard sequential production line. The process begins with raw material preparation, moves through machining and assembly, and concludes at final inspection. Every single defect we categorized earlier must now be traced back and linked directly to one of these specific process notes. By isolating the types of errors and mapping the exact timeline of production, we filter out the daily noise of the factory floor. We now have the clean data required to build the matrix itself. Now we begin the physical construction phase. For this, you can open a blank spreadsheet or draw a large grid on a whiteboard. We set up our y-axis first. The process stages, cutting, drilling, and finishing, populate the rows on the left. Next, we build the x-axis across the top, plotting our defect types into columns with headers for scratch, dent, and wrong dimension. The empty cells at the intersection of these rows and columns are where the diagnostic work happens. Each cell gets the exact number of times a defect occurred. We start with the cutting stage, entering 10 scratches, 5 dents, and 2 dimensional errors. We then quickly drive through the remaining data, populating defect frequencies for drilling, followed immediately by finishing. Stepping back, the structure is complete. Stacks of messy, isolated defect reports have been instantly organized into a single, readable format. This structured grid functions as a diagnostic instrument, pinpointing exactly where the production system is losing time and bleeding money. With the matrix filled, we analyze the numbers to hunt for anomalies, searching for specific cells where defect frequencies spike into hotspots. On our completed matrix, the first major anomaly stands out: a severe concentration of errors in the finishing stage, with 12 recorded scratches. A second warning sign appears above: a high rate of dimensional failures, 8 incorrect measurements, happening specifically during the drilling stage. Rather than trying to fix every minor issue on the board at once, the maintenance team must prioritize these specific glowing hotspots to maximize the impact of their repairs. Knowing where the problem happens is only the first step. We have to figure out why it is happening. Applying superficial fixes without understanding the underlying mechanics ensures the error will return. To extract the root cause, we use a fishbone diagram, a visual brainstorming tool mapping potential causes across categories like machine, method, material, and manpower. Once the diagram identifies the specific mechanical or human failure, the team executes corrective actions. This could mean recalibrating the drilling machine or scheduling operator retraining for the finishing station. After the adjustments are made, the matrix must be strictly monitored week over week. You have to verify that the numbers in those hotspot cells actually drop to confirm the fix worked. Identifying an anomaly on a spreadsheet does not improve a product. The matrix only works if those hotspots directly trigger a root cause analysis and a permanent operational change. By tracking, categorizing, and attacking defects at their source, you convert a chaotic factory floor into a highly aligned system of continuous improvement. The operational benefits are immediate. Scrap rates drop, rework costs are minimized, and the consistent quality of the final product drives up customer satisfaction. This deliberate process connects directly back to the core goal of total productive maintenance, ensuring that every part is manufactured right the first time. Stop guessing at what is slowing down your production line. Download the Quality Defect Matrix template from the description below and deploy it to protect your bottom line today.